Hi guys, today I want us to talk about the different types of angles in geometry. There are six types of different angles that you need to know, and we want to define them and discuss them so that if they are used anywhere in mathematics, you know what is being referred to and you can confidently handle that. We start with the acute angle, which is our first angle, which is between 0 and 90 degrees. So any angle that is between 0 and 90 degrees is said to be acute, and therefore you can understand that if you are told that this is an acute angle, you know that it is between 0 and 90 degrees. The second one is a right angle. We probably know this one even better. A right angle is an angle which is equal to 90 degrees, and we know that if the two rays form an angle of 90, we say they are perpendicular to each other, and this is the sign that we use. Very important, even if we don't write 90 in mathematics. If we see this sign, we know that this is a right angle, or this is an angle of 90 degrees. And of course, if we are told that the lines are perpendicular, we definitely know that the angle between them is 90 degrees. The third one is an obtuse angle. This is an angle which is greater than 90 degrees, as you can see here, but it is less than 180 degrees. So the angle that you see here, this one, is 143,13 degrees. It is greater than 90, but it is less than 180, and we call it an obtuse angle. And then we have a straight angle. A straight angle is the angle of a straight line, which is exactly equal to 180 degrees. And understanding this is going to help us, because when we start to talk about pairs of angles, when we start to talk about adjacent angles on a straight line, this is something that you need to remember. So this is a straight angle, and that angle is on a straight line, and it is 180 degrees. The fifth one is a reflex angle. Not very popular because when we think about these two rays, we look at this part here as the angle between them. But there is that angle which is outside, or which we call reflex, which is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360. You can see it is greater than the straight angle, but it is less than 360 degrees, and that's a reflex angle. And of course, the last one is a revolution, which is the angle around a point. This is the angle around a point, and it is 360 degrees. And of course, one important thing to know also here is that if you've got angles around a point, you know that if you add them, they'll add up to 180 degrees. And of course, if one of them was an unknown, you will also be able to use algebra and find that unknown. We are not there yet. We're going to deal with that, but at least now you know the different types of angles that you need to know. So when they're mentioned, remember this and make sure that you are confident in knowing between which degrees is each of the angles.